Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and I hope that you have liked my previous videos. If you have watched those, on this channel I am going to teach you how to use Excel. But I'm going to teach you in the shortest way, may not be the easiest way, but trying to give you hands-on on most of the easiest tools or functions that Excel offers you. That will help you in your professional life if you're a working professional, and also helps the business people who are who wants to record or who wants to use Excel to record their business activities. So, we did subtotal. Now today we are going to do sum if function. How does the sum if function help? So sum if function is a total based function. So what does it do? It is that it uses condition. So sometimes you will be coming across lot of data. Okay, and you want to analyze that data, and then after some time you will be often okay. Let me see what is happening in this region. Let me see what is happening at this at this scale, at this level. Like taking an example, you are a person who is doing sale all over India, okay, and you have salespeople in India in multiple places. Now you want to see how much I am paying to the people from, let's say, Pune location, the people from Mumbai, the people from Kolkata or Hyderabad, how much salary I'm paying to this location. So that could be done using sum if function, or it can also be done if you're an example, if you're a business owner who is doing online business, offline business, and referral also, and you are keeping the record. Now you, at the end of the month, you want to understand, oh, let me know how much I am earning through my offline mode, how much I am earning through my online mode. Okay, in that case the sum if function works very easily for you. Okay, not taking much time. So let's take the sum if. I am putting sum if, okay, I am opening the bracket. Now Excel gives you a syntax. Like I mentioned earlier, Excel is telling you now go do this step. If you see, the sum if function consists of three things: range, criteria, and sum range. Range. Range is nothing but Excel is asking us where to look. Excel is asking us where to look. Example, you want to look for your shirt. Where are you going to look? Cupboard. Right? The same way Excel is asking you, what do you want? You want to see Hyderabad region. I want to see Hyderabad region. So I'm telling Excel, go into the region here. Look for Hyderabad in this region. Okay? That is how the range works. Comma. Criteria. Now Sam is telling, what do you want me to look? TK. You told me not to go to the region column. Now what do you want me to look? So you will tell them to look for Hyderabad region. Okay, so I'm selecting Hyderabad, comma. Then what are you telling? Oh, fine. What do you want? What sum do you want? Do you want the sum of salary or bonus? Okay, because you'll be having multiple columns. You'll be having like saying an example, sales, taxes, commission, incentives, everything, right? So every time it will ask you, what do you want to look for? So I'm telling him, look for the salary, and let me close the bracket and enter. Bravo. See, what do you got? You got the salary that you have paid for the Hyderabad region. Now, if I go and take a total, let's say, where is my Hyderabad? Hyderabad is here, and then I have it here, and then I have it here. And if you see the total, it is 2,03,500, right? So it is working well. So this is how you can use the sum function. Moving on to another example. Now I want to see, like, sum if is a conditional function. So it works means the criteria could be text or numeric. So let's take an example of, I want to see how much total salary I am paying to the people of grade A. Okay. So sum if, open the bracket, and there is another thing. So what now what is saying? I want to look for grade. So where which column I will go? Of course, I'll go to column D. I'm telling Excel now go to column D. Okay, comma. Criteria. What criteria you are saying? A. I want to see for A cell. Okay. So you put A. Okay. And whenever you are going to put text, you have to see to it that you are putting it into two open bracket. Okay. Then Excel understand it is talking about text. Okay. Then put a comma. And now I want to see, let's take an example. I want to see salary only, because let's not make it more confusing for you, and close the bracket. Now to the people of the A grade, I am paying total of 5,52,000 salary. So can we check it? Okay, let me just check it. A again. Oops. A category. A, here it is, and here. You saw it? So it is also working on A. Here you have Hyderabad I have typed here. That's the reason when I was referencing the cell, I referenced it on the H, uh, this cell, Hyderabad cell. Okay. Sometimes you can also put it, you can type it inside the function. So the both way work for it. Now, coming to the point where I said the sum function, sum if function works on the where the conditions can be both text and numeric. Now let's take an example. I want to see how much I have paid for the employee code 1010. Can I do that? I can do that using SUMIF function. Okay, so let me put SUMIF, open bracket. Now range. What I want, I'm looking into what? Employee code. So I'm asking Excel, go and look into employee code column. What should you look? You should look whatever code I'm putting on this cell. Okay, comma, and what I want now, I want to know what is the bonus. Okay, and I'm closing the bracket. So to this employee code 1010, I am paying how much? 6350. Let's take an example. Let's play magic. I want to see for let me see how much I am paying for the employee code 1015. See how easy it is. Immediately it will show me how much I am paying to this code. Got it? So this SUMIF function, SUMIF functions works on one condition only. So it will take from this region. There are many regions, right? But right now it is going to read or take only one region. So Hyderabad. Let's if I change it to Pune, okay, it will only give me salary of Pune. Got it? So this is how easily you could use the SUMIF functions. This is where where you can pull the data. Kind of you can ask, oh, now tell me my employee 1006, how much salary I'm pay, how much bonus I have paid 5200. How much I'm paying for the B grade employees? Sorry, B grade employees, I'll have to do it from here because I have fixed it in the cell. Sorry, in the formula itself. So I'll change it to B and you see how much I am paying 4,56,500. So this is the way you can play around the sum functions. I hope that you like this short video. It was informative to you. But very important thing, do practice and in comment section, let me know if you're facing any issues. I'll try to clear up those issues in the next videos. And again, we'll come up with the next function that is the sum ifs function. So, um, looking forward to my next videos and please subscribe and like my channel and let me know if you want to learn more. Happy learning!